Hi, Carolyn Wiseman from the Hunter Valley. So keen to have you here. This is a quick presentation on our team app that we've created. It really is an app that you can download on your phone so that you're not getting lost scrolling in all the different platforms looking for all things to do with Terra Australis state assemblies. So I'm going to share my screen very quickly and show you how you can find Team App if you've never heard of it. I used to use Team App for when my son played basketball, and all I've done, it's a free app, and hence why we're using it. All I have done is converted that app so that it's usable for what we need to find links, etc., when we're doing anything to do with Terra Australis states assemblies. So the first thing I want to do is introduce you to, it's called Stack Team App. It's been around quite a while. And as I said, it's mainly used for sports teams. That's the whole point of the app, but it has some really great features and it's free. So the first thing, if you're looking for the app, you're going to need to download or register in the App Store or Google Play or wherever you go for your app for Stack Team App. Now, once you've done that, you're then going to look for My Team. So you'll search for a team. And this is the team. I have a few in there, as you can see. This is the team name, TASA Hunter, New South Wales. You'll go into that and you'll need to ask for a member request or a member approval, whatever it is. Make sure that you send that through. Oh, don't mind my phone, my computer logging up. Okay, so I'm actually in the admin. I want to show you the actual app, how it looks. So if you look to the right of my screen, you'll see this is how the app looks in your phone once you have access to that. And what you're going to find here is you'll be able to click on any of these buttons and go into various things. So let's just go through. I'm going to do it through the dashboard, the admin dashboard, because I'm the admin. However, this is what you will see here on the right-hand side. So if you wanted to find the TASA website, you'll go into the link and you'll be able to find, well, actually that's not going to work there, is it? Anyhow, you should be able to find the TASA website when you go in on your button. Don't mind me. Perhaps I should have, oh, there we are. There it is. Okay, so there's your TASA website. So each button has its own function and its own focus. So you've got your TASA website, you have a chat function, and what I found when I first joined TASA, I was getting very much lost in the Telegram chats. So I've created chat in topics, so you can search by topics. When you go in, there's the Telegram links again for the TASA page. There's also one for TASA Hunter Valley, or to see how you can join the TASA Hunter Valley Telegram group if Telegram's your thing. If it's not your thing, and that's okay, because many of us there isn't. There's TASA forums and for all questions. Welcome to the chat room. There's a checklist, public notaries in Newcastle. So this is going to continually be updated. So what we have here is a public notary that at this stage is great for signing our documentation or notarizing our documentation. So this will grow and is just the starting page. So when in here, so obviously you're going to be seeing it in the app. You'll see TASA assembly dates. And this is the bare bones at the moment. There's nothing in here. You're going to see when we have meetings around the place. Currently, we have meetings on the Central Coast and we have meetings in Lake Macquarie and also meetings up in the Singleton area. So we'll eventually grow this and have dates and a calendar for you to follow. It's just putting it all in the one place for you to access. So the other good thing is that you'll also see, I'm going to go back to the dashboard so you can see the app. You'll also see notifications. So what will happen if there's anything that changes in the app and we need to notify all members, so you become a member of this team, that you'll get a notification either via the app or via email. And I think you have an option to say, I don't want the emails. So that way, depending on how you seek for information, that's the way you'll get it. So you'll see that was the chat I had there. That's your button there. Training and steps to follow. Now, this is really in document templates and copies of documents. There's a couple of us that when we reconveyed, we just decided to put the steps in the app so that people can follow that. I'm actually about to add in a trainer named Vanessa Fox, and we'll have a button for her, so you can contact Vanessa if you want to go through a formal training classroom of documents and how and why, and understand that. Vanessa's beautiful volunteer, Vanessa, has arranged that for us. So I will add a tab in or a link for her. Contact her direct. So copies of documents completed. So those are just those that are a couple of us that reconveyed training and steps to follow, document templates, and copies of documents completed. Now, we just followed the TASA formats directly from TASA. The document templates are exactly what TASA had in their website. So the website is there, the Global Family Group website is there, and then there'll be dates for assemblies. Nothing in regard to newsletters at this stage. We do have the Terra Australis and newspaper. I've got that in the chat topics right now. They're $5 to buy at any of our presentations or gatherings. However, we may create a newsletter which we can email out to everyone, or create an email as well that will work for the Hunter area, Central Coast Hunter. Okay, that's all I wanted to share with you. The app is going to be great because it will pull it all into the one place for you. We'll have a couple of administrators other than myself. So make sure you log in to Stack Team app or upload the app, Stack Team app, and then look for TASA Hunter New South Wales. Okay, I yield, and thank you for watching.